Zelda versus Princess Peach.
Hey Goldie Squad, it's Ruby, and on today's episode we have some video game royalty. But don't be fooled, because these princesses don't need saving. Let's boot up this pop battle! Our first Goldie Squad maker is Annie. She loves watching slime videos and playing Nintendo Switch with her sister and dad. Her favorite video games are The Sims, Minecraft, and of course Mario Kart. She was so inspired by the Women's March, she decided to make a Princess Peach robot with some feminist flair. Our opposing Goldie Squad maker is Serenity. She's obsessed with singing, dancing, and gymnastics, and she loves free roam games. But her favorite game is the OG Legend of Zelda. Today she bought a Zelda figurine and turned into a terrifying robot, sure to make Ganon shiver in his shoes. Now it's time to meet our boss. Introducing the Pigeon Ater. Let's check in with our Goldie Squad judges.
I mean, it's pretty clear this Peach doesn't need no saving, for sure.
She does not.
No. What inspired you to create such a lethal apparatus?
I kind of wanted her to look way stronger than Mario because she is.
Oh, I love it. I'm shook by it. It's amazing.
Annie, I'm interested to know about the fire that is coming out from the back of your robot.
It reminds me of a motorcycle from Mario Kart because when the fire blows back.
Yeah, and it's really super cool because it's kind of like Mother Nature also has fire.
Fire, like water for the coral, and then just peach.
Peach, an element.
Like
that's
earth.
Fire, water, air, peach. Yeah.
Awesome job on this bot, Annie. I love all the inspiration that you put into it. Princess Peach never really got an arc in any of the Mario games. What would her character arc be in your version?
Mario would get trapped, and she would have to save him and like the world because obviously a lot of females do save the world.
I would play that game.
I would too.
How do you feel about women being described as princesses?
Stereotype, I think, for princesses is like sweet, pretty, and I think I don't want to be sweet. Mulan is my favorite because like she's actually powerful. The other ones just like fall asleep.
I love Mulan too, so I'm a little biased now. Sorry, Serenity.
So I see you have this piece of a sword.
If someone hit her, she would have like a little bumper, you know?
Yeah, I like it. Well, let's meet our next robot. Introducing Zelda's Throne. Let's check back with our Goldie Squad judges. Do you guys think this Zelda bot has what it takes to defend Hyrule?
Absolutely, and if it doesn't defend Hyrule, it'll definitely put some style in there, okay?
There's definitely a fair match here. Both bots have a lot of dangerous elements. Is that a lightning bolt?
I was inspired because me and my brother watched Ninjago, and my favorite character is Cole, and he has lightning.
I like it. Thank you.
I love those lines up in the front. Is it her pets, or is it just like lines that just roll with her?
She really uses them for battles.
So dope.
I love what you've done here, Serenity. What type of ruler is this Princess Zelda up upon her glitter throne?
She's like the strong princess. She's very fierce. I think she's basically one of those princesses who always want to defeat her enemy.
Do you guys feel like there's room on the throne for two, or can only one princess rule?
There's definitely room for two.
I think there's room for two too. Sometimes it can be hard to run a throne by yourself. You do need like an assistant or somebody. But
So are you confident in your robot?
I am very confident.
Are you confident in your robot?
Yeah, but I mean, she's singing about it, so I don't know.
Well, it's time to stop playing and get this battle started! Gamers, grab your controllers. Ready? Yes! 3, 2, 1, go! Right off the bat again. Looks like Princess Peach went right on and knocked a piece of her head off. She's very violent with her screw right after because she's trying to kill her. And she's not even phased. And Serenity's over here just trying to... Oh my, okay, so now, oh no. Oh, and now her weapon is stuck on her. Now Zelda's weapon is stuck on her. Oh! for today's Annie.
Yay! Yay!
Valiant effort, though. Even though Annie was our winner, the Goldie Squad has 2 new royal members. And Serenity, you get the honor leading the coronation of Princess Annie and crowning her with the bucket of fun.
Thank you! I told you! That's just Annie. There's glitter in my eye. Oh no!
Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe for new bot battles every Saturday. And comment down below, who's your go-to character in Mario Kart? See you guys next time. Bye!